we're delving into the big laundry debate, mixing whites and colours. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're delving into the big laundry debate, mixing whites and colours. If you're one of those people who've wondered, is it really that bad to mix them? Or maybe you've tried it and ended up with pink socks instead of white ones. This video is for you. We've all been there. Mixing whites and colours in laundry is such a common practice, but it's also one of the most controversial topics in home care. Some people swear they can throw everything in together with no problems, while others, well, they've learned the hard way. The main challenge we all face when doing laundry is colour bleeding. It's that moment when you pull out your clothes and instead of crisp, clean whites, you've got, well, a rainbow of regret. But why does this happen? And how can you avoid it? Well, stay tuned because we have some tips on how to avoid colour bleeding and some game-changing products that will prevent colour bleeding and fix colour bleeding issues if you encounter them. First, here's a few tips to help you avoid colour bleeding laundry disasters. Tip 1. Wash new clothes separately. Always wash new clothes, especially dark or bright ones, separately for the first few washes. New fabrics are much more likely to bleed colour. Tip 2. Turn clothes inside out. Turning clothes inside out can help prevent dye from transferring. Tip 3. Use cold water. Using cold water helps reduce the chance of colours bleeding because heat can cause the dye to release more quickly. Tip 4. Use colour-safe detergent. Colour-safe detergents are designed to help lock in dye and prevent bleeding. They are available from most supermarkets and homeware stores. Tip 5. Perform a colour fastness test. To perform a quick test, get a bowl of warm water and a clean white cloth. Place the clothing item on a flat surface, wet the white cloth and lightly dab or gently rub the surface of the item. After a few seconds, if there is any dye on the cloth, then you should wash that particular item separately from light coloured laundry. Now we get to our game-changing products to prevent and fix colour bleeding issues. Firstly, we have colour catchers, also called laundry sheets. If you're washing all your laundry together, these are magic. Seriously, these little sheets you toss into the wash and they absorb any dye that gets released, preventing it from staining other clothes. Laundry sheets are available in the UK and USA from Amazon and may be found in the larger supermarkets including Walmart. Prices range from around about £5 to £18 or dollars. The next product is Synthropol. Synthropol is a concentrated surfactant that suspends dye particles in water and prevents those dye particles from reattaching to any fabrics in the wash. It can also be used to remove colour bleed issues by soaking clothing items with this product. Full instructions come with the product and it is quite readily available from Amazon and eBay in the UK or Walmart in the USA. Prices range from about $12 to $23 or pounds. The next product is Retain. Retain is a colour fixative that locks dye into the fabrics, thus preventing colour bleeding, and can be used as a pre-soak for clothing items that you suspect will bleed colour or that you have pre-tested and have shown to bleed colour. It can also be used in a machine wash cycle. Instructions come with the product, and although it is not as readily available in UK stores, it can be purchased online from Quilt Direct, eBay and Amazon from about £5. In the USA, prices range from $7 to $25 and can be purchased from Walmart. The next set of products are more recognisable and are more readily available on the high street. They will remove any colour bleed dye from clothing items if you've had any issues. They all work in a similar way and are quite cheap to purchase from most large homeware stores, Walmart, eBay or Amazon in America or in the UK. These products are Dr. Beckman Colour Run Remover, Carbona Colour Run Remover and Rit Colour Remover. So to wrap things up in this video, yes, mixing whites and colours can lead to some serious laundry heartbreak, but with the right strategies you can avoid it. From washing new clothes separately, using cold water, colour safe detergents and those game-changing laundry products, you can protect your clothes and keep them looking really fresh. Now we'd love to hear from the community. What's your worst laundry fail? Comment down below with your story and let's see how many people can relate. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more handy home care tips. And thanks for watching.
That's meant to play now.
How much did you put in? Half a bottle.
Oh, that ain't working. Oh my